In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create UI components in Figma. We'll walk through a simple, practical workflow using the Figma community to find ready-made components, bring them into your file, and tailor them to your project so you can move faster without sacrificing quality. First, head over to figma.com. From the homepage, look for the community section. This is where designers share files, systems, and templates that you can explore and reuse. It's a fantastic starting point when you need solid building blocks or inspiration. Once you're in community, use the search bar and type UI components. This query will surface libraries and kits containing buttons, cards, inputs, nav bars, and more. You can skim through previews to see what aligns with your platform, visual style, or level of complexity. If you want to refine the results, consider looking at relevance, popularity, or whether the file is free, but the key is to find a kit that fits your needs. When you spot a promising file, click into it to view details and a larger preview. You'll usually see a quick description and screenshots of the components included. When you're ready to try it, choose Open in Figma. This opens the file in your workspace so you can inspect layers, constraints, and the component setup directly. With the file open, select the components you want to use and copy them. You can grab entire sections or just the specific items you need. Copying preserves the component structure, which is helpful if you want to keep consistent styling and behavior as you scale your design. Now switch over to your project file and paste. Many teams like to paste these into a dedicated page called Components or Library to keep things tidy, but you can paste them into any working page and reorganize later. You'll see the components appear with their names and instances intact, ready to drag into your frames. Finally, customize them to match your brand and layout. Update typography and color to your existing styles, adjust spacing with auto layout, and rename layers for clarity. If the set includes variants, like primary and secondary buttons or different states, edit those properties so you can swap variants quickly while designing. Try to preserve the main component and change instances where possible. That keeps consistency across your file and makes global updates much easier. When you're done, test a few screens to confirm everything scales and aligns as expected. That's it. You found UI components in the Figma community, brought them into your project, and tailored them to your design system for a cleaner, faster workflow.